everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Birchbox unboxing for the month of September. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stick around. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things beauty related. Unboxings, try-ons, hauls, anything related to beauty. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up. It would make such a difference for me and my channel. I upload on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays, and my plan is to do a giveaway once I hit 50. So please join me so we can get to that 50 and do another giveaway. Without any more talk, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my Birchbox unboxing. So I do love that Birchbox. It does come in very similar to Glossybox, this outer box. You open it up and it has an interior box. This time, instead of it opening up, it is kind of like a slide drawer with a little tassel. And I kind of think that's cute. It's definitely different. And so let's go ahead and jump into the products here. Some bingo card. And then here is the September, it says Birchbox was launched in September 2010 with a simple insight: everyone deserves a beauty discovery experience that is fun and effective. So they're saying thank you, they're doing some changes. Interesting. On the back is a list of all the products that we have in this box. And I will say my last two, I've done Birchbox, I think a month or 2 months, I think for 2 months. I have not been impressed with Birchbox at all. They do have a customizable quiz that you do, just like many of the other subscription boxes. It is, I think, $15 something, $16, right around there is the price along with shipping. I find though that for me, very often I get a lot of face products, even though in my quiz for Birchbox I said I don't want like moisturizing skincare items. I want makeup. I want more makeup things. That's what I really love. And so for this box, it is not much different. So the first product I have is the Benefit They're Real Lengthening Mascara. These are all travel sizes as well, nothing full size. I do like the Benefit They're Real mascara. I do think that it makes your eyelashes look very wispy. I wouldn't say that they're super dramatic, at least in my perspective. I am not going to open this up because I have 100 different ones, but this mascara, I believe, is the one that has the little point ball at the end that you can kind of get the little wispy ones or get your lower lashes. And the claims are that it really helps with lengthening. Lots of people find that it thickens and lengthens. It's a cult benefit mascara. Next product that I have here is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Mask. Detoxify and brighten your complexion with this mask made from Australian clay, organic aloe vera, and kakadu plum, K-A-K-A-D-U. I'm sure I'm not saying that right. That's hilarious. Leave on the skin for 10 minutes, then rinse. This, you can see, is only filled up to about here. You probably would get one use with this at most. A full-size product is $49, so granted it is pretty expensive. For me, clay masks, my skin is really dry. It tends to make it even drier and make it very unhappy. So I will put this in with my giveaway items for when we get to 50, we'll do the giveaway. Hold on one second. My dogs are going to eat somebody, or at least it sounds like it. Holy moly, you're going to hear them running around. I don't know what they were outside barking at, but I thought that they were going to eat somebody. So they're inside now. And you can hear them making a noise. Anyways, this will go into the giveaway. Next product is the smallest sample of anything that I think I have ever seen. This is the Aero Nourishing Lip Oil Color Enhancing Pink. Oh, sorry for the doggos. A full-size product costs... They're being crazy. Hey, you two. Go outside if you're going to play like that, please. Full-size is $16. It says that this locks in moisture with a blend of aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. And it does give a subtle tint by reacting to the pH level in your skin. I do understand lip oil. I get it. That's so tiny. So tiny. So tiny. And you know it's not full. I have so much on my lip that you can't even see. This is not, you're not going to be able to see much. Oh, it smells like old plastic. Oh, I don't like the smell of that at all. That smells horrible, horrible, horrible. Okay. It does blend into the skin very nice, kind of soaks in. I would imagine it will do the same. Again, on your lips, it will, on hand, it doesn't do as much. On lips, it will react to the pH and become a little pinker. Depending on what your pH is, it will give a different color. You could have given a bigger sample size. Next product that we have here, it looks like it is the Clarifying Scalp Scrub. So this is the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Clear product buildup, balance your scalp's pH, and add shine with this clarifying scalp scrub. Use weekly in place of shampoo. Okay, so I will have to say, for me, ever since I've gotten my hair, since I dye my hair, I bleach it, I only wash my hair maybe once a week. If I wash it more than that, it makes it so dry and so unmanageable that I can't even deal with it. So for me, this would not be the best product because typically I use a purple shampoo. I always will use that to help tone everything. So this is another thing that I will end up sticking in the giveaway. I am going to open it up just so I can smell it and so you guys can see kind of the texture. It is a pretty thick texture. I will not touch it. Ooh wee, that is perfumey. It smells like perfume out of a perfume bottle. So definitely make sure that you expect that if you're going to get it. I do like the idea of a scalp scrub because the scalp is kind of what you really want to revitalize, especially to improve hair growth and to improve the condition of your hair. So I like the idea, probably will not use it. So another thing that is going to go in the giveaway. A full size is $16. This obviously is not a full size. Sometimes I think with some of the products that are a little less expensive, I think that they could give you a full size. But I get that this box is only sample sizes. You're not supposed to get a full size, but it would be a nice surprise. Next product that I have here is the Orbe Matte Wave Texture Lotion. Sorry, it is like gold on this. It's very, very hard to read, at least for my old eyes. This is the Matte Waves Texture Lotion. Full size price is $42. Get PC Undone texture with this lightweight lotion that leaves a matte finish. Apply to damp hair. Let air dry for nourished, beachy waves without any salt dry out. My hair is straight. You're not going to get a wave. Even at the beach, I don't get waves. I just get straight salty hair. I will probably put this in the giveaway as well. I do like this brand. I smell everything, so I'm going to smell it. It smells like shampoo. It smells like a hair product would normally smell, if you can imagine that. So that's next product. And then the last product that we have is the It Secret Sauce. So this is a moisturizer. The secret lies in a mix of 7 clinically advanced fermented ingredients that help increase absorbency and maximize hydration. And so there's all kinds of different statistics on the back. Clinically tested, 200% of skin hydration, 94% say their skin looked radiant and healthy, felt soft and smooth. 89% say their skin looked renewed, and 83% said that their skin felt more plump. Again, it doesn't give you any statistics after a week of use, after a day of use, after whatever. I do like It Cosmetics in general. However, for whatever reason, whatever ingredients they use, all of It Cosmetics things makes my face itch so bad I can't even stand it. Here is the sample size of the secret sauce. It is in a beautiful little pinky bottle with gray top. However, it does have one of those false bottoms, so you're getting very little in there. It's not even full to the top. You can see there's a big hole right there. I will try it. I am always up for a good moisturizer. I do like the idea of fermented ingredients. I do use kind of a toner that has some fermented ingredients, the polysaccharides that help with skincare, so I like that idea. The full size is $68. If it works, I think that's great. I'll try it, see what happens. As you can tell, I am not super impressed and have not been impressed with any of my Birchbox items, months, whatever you want to say. And maybe I'm a little bit biased. I do think that overall Ipsy and Allure, for the same exact price, I end up getting better makeup products versus having so much skin or hair care or those kind of things. Not that I mind it every once in a while, but I definitely prefer it to be more makeup heavy versus other area heavy. What have you guys experienced? Does anyone out there get Birchbox? Do you guys have the same experience? Is it maybe just me? Should I give it another chance and continue this subscription, or should I cancel it and look at getting something that may be a little bit better, like the Cheek Beauty Box? I have been interested in doing that. Should I do that instead of the Birchbox? Please, I need some feedback. Let me know what you guys think so I can kind of figure out what to do next with all of this. Let me know if you guys like Birchbox. Do you get good things? What do you think? I don't know. I probably have a bad attitude about it and I should readjust my attitude. But at any rate, thank you guys so much for joining me. I loved having you here today with me. I love when you guys join me. It's awesome. I love when you guys interact with me. I think that's super cool. So please drop me a line in the comments. Again, thank you so much for being here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.